Yeah, my name is Manuel Perez. I'm the Circuit Court Judge here in Marion County in the Juvenile Department, and I will be the one that will be overseeing the ICWA court. ICWA stands for Indian Child Welfare Act, and it's a law that places additional requirements on the court when there is a Native American child involved with the system. And so the ICWA court is just to deal especially with cases that involve Native American children. We want to make sure that we are doing things right. And so we've decided that we'll have informal reviews more regularly than a regular case, where we can make sure that the families and the children are receiving all of the resources that they need from the worker, from the community, so that reunification can be achieved, if that's possible. A normal case is reviewed by the court about three times. Once we have jurisdiction, once the court finds that the state has proven that the family needs these kind of help. We would see them at 4 months, we would see them at 9 months, and then we would see them about a year down the road to see how the families are doing. And that's what we've been doing so far in all cases. But we don't think that that's enough for Native American families. The statute requires active efforts as opposed to just reasonable efforts to reunify the family. And I think that applies to the court as well. We need to be making active efforts to review in the case, to make sure that the agency is doing what they need to do, to provide the services for the family so that they can reunify. I think sometimes more contact with the court, more reassurances, more reviews, more basically asking the worker, are you doing enough? Can't you do more? What about this? And it's kind of a team effort, so that you got all these people working together to try to get the goal of putting the children back with the family. Prepare for something different, and also to be open to telling us what it is that they need. That's the whole point. What do you need? What can we do to help you achieve that? The other thing is that they should be prepared to hear people giving them, clapping for them, saying and congratulating for the good things that they've done. Because a lot of times you don't get strokes for the things that you're doing well. You just come to court and the court yells at you for the things that you haven't done. That's not the whole point at all. The whole point is to acknowledge the work that they've done, and then ask about barriers that need to be overcome, and telling them or asking the people that can help overcome the barriers, how can we help them overcome the barriers? Hopefully the worker will have the action plan that they're working on. What are we working on now? We can review it. We can review how the family's doing, how the worker is helping them achieve that action plan. Sometimes the attorneys don't know what the action plan is. I want to make sure that they know, so they can help the persons comply with that action plan. Let's move forward. Every day lost from being with your child is one that you can never recover. It's a work in progress, so the first session is not going to be as the finished product that we're looking for, but eventually we would like to have like a song or drums to begin the court. We're also going to have flags, hopefully from all of the 9 Oregon tribes in our courtroom. I can tell you that I'm not going to sit on the bench. I'm going to be wearing a coat and tie, sitting in front of the folks, and kind of taking away that mystique of the judges above, higher than us. We're just all the same team, trying to get the same result that they hopefully they want, which is to get their children back. Every month might be a little bit different, might be a little bit better, hopefully a little bit better than it was before. But the bottom line is we want folks to be welcome from day one.